Hello, assalamu alaikum everybody. I hope everybody is doing good. So let's just take what's happening in Bitcoin. And as far as you are seeing here, Bitcoin is trading in its channel. It needs to break this channel obviously in order to continue upward. And I hope it's go till 74,000. Alright, at the very least. I'm gonna put it over here around 73,000 level or 74,000 level. This is a very good level for Bitcoin, but it needs to break this in order to go till here. This is a very strong supply over here. I'm gonna go someplace. I'm gonna see where the liquidity is and if it's gonna go over there or not. Liquidity is around 69,000, and then we have liquidity over here as well at around 68,220 level. So most probably we're gonna see some sort of correction. Okay, another thing that I am looking over here in this chart is this. This is this is a three white soldiers. It's a bullish pattern. If it closes above this, then it will obviously we are confirmed for a very bullish signal. So this is a very good indicator. It's telling us that we might be able to see the market make another new high. So it's a very good indicator. If I am right in thinking, the yesterday's stream that I did, or was it day before yesterday? Maybe yesterday was it? I gave a call about WIF, and so far it have worked out pretty well. Very amazing. It's going in our direction. It's coming down as you're looking at it. It's my first target have basically almost reached is 2.214. It's around at this level where I feel it's very good level for I see it buying over here. This is a very good chart. There's a lot of noise in the background. I'm very sorry for it, or hopefully it won't be a problem in the future uh, when I will be able to buy a good mic, I hope. Right now I'm streaming from my headphones, and I hope it's gonna work out. Okay, this is basically turning out a very good chart. It's traveling in a downward direction, and hopefully it's going to go till here, and then we might be able to see an upward trend. Chart is saying it's gonna go till here, and then might be possibility for it to come a bit up. It's gonna test this, and then this, and hopefully this. Let's just see where it goes first, and then we'll have to act according to this trend line. If it breaks this, and we'll probably gonna take our stop loss. On my Discord, I have already given out the call to put my R stop losses at entry and take 25% of around over here. So in order to book some profits and then stay with the market, because I feel like if BTC is going to go up, because we are seeing an upward trend over here, it's taking some sort of resistance here. If it breaks this, obviously all the altcoins are will gonna jump up. Okay, guys, back again. I'm sorry, I was doing something. Okay. So basically, as I was telling you about Bitcoin, as I was telling you over here, we are seeing a very good supply, and it's coming down once again. And I don't know why I was having issues in Binance today. I don't know if everybody else saw it or not, but Binance was having some issues, and even now, which says delayed streaming. The issue is on the exchange side. Something is happening and something is brewing in the background. I don't know, but something is going to happen. Okay, another trend is over here. We can take a short position or a long position. Uh, it's gonna be, it's gonna turn out in our favor, obviously. Hopefully, I'd say. Okay, mostly I trade in altcoins because I feel like if you look at the Bitcoin and then the movement in Bitcoin is like if it moves 1%, we may be able to catch, I'll say around 5 to 10% movement in altcoins, and it's a better way to earn some money. Dogecoin had a very good movement today. It's it's very strong. It broken out from its previous high. Yeah, it's around here. This level, if it breaks out and goes above this, then it's gonna target this high, which is around 16 cents. It's I think it's gonna go up. I'm always bullish in Dodge. Okay, another. Okay, first of let's see just this. This is TNSR graph. This is a call I gave on my trading view. You can look it over here. It panned out exactly as I wanted. It's somewhere over here. I don't know when. I gave it around on a month back, on 5th September. So it's been like 2 months back. It panned out exactly I wanted, how I wanted it to be. So now another trade opportunity have arisen, obviously, and we can hopefully trade some more in this coin. I'm gonna go long here, and I'll let you know the reason that I am going long here. Okay, the reason that I feel this coin is bullish is, first of all, it's following this trend, right? We have one point over here, we have another point over here. It's gonna test this point once again, and we have a very good support of, I think this is 200-day moving average. Let me just say, yeah, this is 200-day moving average. So if it comes around this level, this is a very good buy area, I'll say. You can hopefully buy it, and then this will be your stop loss. If it breaks this and closes below this, this is another, it's a trend break, and we may be going for a short. So I'm gonna mark this. It's a very good chart, a very good level to buy, I'll say. We'll look into it later on, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, if it hits our price or not, or if it bounces back over here. I'll check back in the next stream. Hopefully it doesn't, I don't think it will touch this today, but let's just see. I think I gave this call a long time back, yeah, on 11th October. It just tested this level. I don't think I'm gonna take this right now because it might be, yeah, I think it's a good call still. It's still relevant. I think one can take this, but let's just stick with either a one trade or two trade, maximum three trades at a time. Don't go and go into a lot of trades. Try to go for one trade or two trades. If you are hedging the stock, hedging the coin, I'll say, then go for maximum two trades. Let's just This is a very good level. This is an area which where sellers are sitting. If it breaks this, then we might be able to see some sort of reaction. So far, it had broken this chart, this trend, but on a shorter time frame, it have made a support over here. Again, it's taking resistance from this level. I think a long entry can be taken from if it breaks this and then goes up. A 1:2 ratio will be perfect, obviously. It needs to break this and we'll put our stop loss over here, and then it needs to break this chart. This the candle needs to close above this. Always wait for the candle close. Do not do anything else without candle close. If the candle doesn't close this, then we'll probably get out of the trade. We won't take it. We have another 10 seconds to go. Let's see. Okay, let's just take this trade now. If this becomes an indecisive candle, we might be the next candle will show us the direction. Oh, it's not. Oh, it's gonna go up then. Let's just see. Went for our stop loss. It's okay, it happens in trading, obviously. Let's just look at another. Something that every new trader should know is, once you start trading, do not go in scalping, because what happens in scalping is you obviously get good returns in a very short time of amount of time, and then obviously you end up losing a lot of money as well. So one thing that I'll recommend any trader, anybody who is coming into either crypto, forex, commodity, stocks, anything at all, once you start trading, do not go in the shorter time frame for at least 6 months, for you to grasp the market properly, to know how the market works. As I took a trade before, I made a loss. You can see it, it's live, it's there, it happens. And as I was telling you before, you need to wait for the candle close in order to take a proper entry, and then wait for the retest as well, if and then take the entry. There are two methods in order for you to take an entry, and you need to have a stop loss in place. You need to have that, otherwise you'll end up losing money. You won't be a very good trader at all. So what I'm gonna say is, once you start trading, you need to have some sort of strategy, and in that strategy can be either your, for example, some people try to use the RSI to trade if it's overbought, if it's oversold, or if they try to do for moving averages, and then golden crosses, and then you have death cross over here. It's a very strong, it haven't happened so far, I think, on a higher time frame or 2 hour time frame, but it is there, and the death cross is there. So you might be able to trade that, and obviously I can, in future I'll let you know what death crosses are, what are golden crosses, and how you trade moving averages, and how you trade RSI, and what trends to look for, and what is a trend, and everything. I'm gonna teach everything, and hopefully when we have a bigger audience, not a just bigger audience, there's some people who are viewing me, and they are looking at how to be a good trader and how to be a better trader. One thing I'll say, I think I have said it before, is once you go into a trade, you need to leave your emotions behind. Do not be an emotional trader at all. If you start trading emotionally, you're gonna end up losing money left and right, and you're gonna look at the charts all the time. You're gonna, not just the charts, obviously, you're gonna look at your position all the time, and then a tiny bit of profit and you're gonna get out of the trade, or if a tiny bit of a loss and you are not able to see a loss, you're gonna get out of it. So in order to be a very good trader, in order to be a money making machine, you need to have your emotions in check all the time. Do not put emotions in trades at all. It's a very risky level for Bitcoin, even though this is a very strong buyer side and this is a selling side over here. If it breaks this, obviously we're gonna see a higher high, or it needs to break this as well, because this is the previous high that I'm looking here, 62,000, sorry, 69,272. It needs to break this, and then we might be able to see some sort of rally and close above it. It needs to close above it, and then we might be able to see some sort of rally going on. uh, in a 15 time frame, it's coming down once again from this level. Okay, this is not a good candle on a 5 minute chart. Probably it's gonna eat this as well now. It might be able to go till here. This is called bearish engulfing, a spinning top, a shooting star, you name it. This is a very bad candle, and the next two consecutive candles are red as well. So it's probably gonna be a very bad thing. It's let's just hope it invalidates this thing. It goes up, but this pattern is not good at all. Yep. As I was telling you before, this is not good at all. Let's see where it ends up. Hence, it's a smaller time frame. Obviously, the move that we're seeing is not gonna last for a very long period of time. One, because on a higher time frame we are still bullish, and if the high time frame is bullish, I think the best way to trade is to wait for your entry and then try to trade it. Right now, I think this is a good level to trade, to buy and wait for it, and then it's gonna go up, hopefully. If it breaks this, then we have another trend till here. It might come down till here as well. 68,000. I've basically put our entry price a bit lower because I feel like this will be a better uh, buy price, and then we have our stop loss placed at this thing. I've taken basically two things in consideration, that this is a very good stop loss over here as well, but then I'm gonna put some sort of like, I'm gonna put a little bit down than the previous low over here, and then this is the trend that I feel like if it gets broken, then this thing is will be invalidated obviously, and our risk to reward is amazing once again, because this is a swing trade. uh, you are looking at 11 to 1 risk to reward. So I think this is a very good buy level, or you can put an entry over here and another entry over here, uh, if you want to not to miss this upside. Okay, I'm gonna end today's stream with this TNSR. We took an entry at BTC and then it didn't pan out in our favor. It went down. I took a long entry before, but it went for a stop loss, and TNSR before I was telling you about this, and already have a trade running, WIF, WIF. Where is it? WIF. We have this trade running already, so I think we're good. On a shorter time frame, it's showing another downtrend, so yeah, it's fine. Very good. So another trade, which is a long trade. This is a short trade, long trade in TNSR that I think it's gonna be, it's a very good hedge once again, and we'll see what happens tomorrow now. Goodbye. See you. Bye now.